Hi, scientists. We're here to learn more about seeds and where they come from. And did you know fruits bear seeds? So let's read more about seeds, their function, and where they come from. The reason for fruit. Let me see if I can zoom up a little bit here. A fresh, sweet apricot is a treat. Peaches, plums, cherries, and apricots are favorite summer fruits. They are delicious and healthful. But watch out, there's a pit in the middle. The pit of a peach or an apricot is too big and hard to eat. You have to eat around it and throw it away. The pit is an interesting part of the fruit. The pit is actually a seed. Do you know what is inside a seed? It's a baby plant waiting for a chance to grow. Some fruits are not usually thought of as fruit. For instance, avocados and olives are fruits. Avocados and olives are not sweet. So why are they called fruit? Avocados and olives are fruit because they have seeds. The part of a plant that holds the seeds is the fruit. Have you seen what's inside an avocado? It has one huge seed. So if you see an avocado, apricots, peaches, and olives, these are all considered fruit. How many seeds? Peaches, plums, and other pitted fruits have one seed. Other fruits have many seeds. Some grapes have 3 or 4 seeds. Apples, pears, green beans, and oranges might have 6 or 7 seeds. That's quite a few chances for a new plant to grow. Some fruits have dozens of seeds. Have you ever counted the seeds in a watermelon? How about in a tomato pumpkin or a pomegranate? The kiwi fruit might have the most seeds for its size. It has hundreds of seeds. Let me take a look at the images here. So different fruits have different amounts of seeds. Header, why do plants make seeds? No plant lives forever. Some plants live for thousands of years, like giant redwood trees. Others live for only a few months, like the annual blanket flower. But each plant dies when it gets old. Because organisms die, every kind of organism must reproduce. When plants reproduce, they make new organisms just like themselves. Peach trees make new peach trees. Tomato plants make new tomato plants. Watermelon plants make new watermelon plants. Every kind of plant makes baby plants to replace those that get old and die. Seeds are the reproductive structures of most plants. Every seed contains a baby plant called an, you know it, embryo. The embryo in the seed is in a dormant or resting stage. So it's like asleep. You can see the embryo if you are careful. Soak a large seed in water overnight, which we did last week, then carefully open the 2 halves of the seed. The embryo will be stuck to one of the sides of the seed. Header, the function of fruit. The fruit that holds a plant's seeds is often large. The seeds in apples are much smaller than the apple. The seeds in pumpkins are smaller than the pumpkin. Fruits are also bright colors. Some cherries are red and some grapes are purple. Why are the fruits so large and colorful? The structure of the fruit has several functions. These functions help the plant survive and reproduce. The developing seeds need to be protected from weather and predators. Large fruits provide a protective covering that keeps the embryos in the seeds safe. After a seed starts to grow, it needs water, light, and minerals. Sometimes the baby plant tries to grow right beneath the parent plant. When that happens, the baby plant has to compete with the larger parent plant. A new plant has a better chance to survive if it can move away from the parent plant. Here's where it helps to be colorful. If you can see the different cherries, the purple grapes, the pumpkins. Brightly colored sweet fruits attract animals. The animals carry the fruit away to eat it, but sometimes they don't eat all the seeds. They drop them far away from the parent plant. The fruit helps the plant reproduce by attracting animals to carry the seeds to new locations. Seeds come in all sizes and shapes. Fruits come in all sizes and colors. Even though there is a great variety in seeds and fruits, their purpose is always the same. Seeds and fruits are structures that help plants survive and reproduce. What do Thompson grapes, bananas, and navel oranges have in common? They are all seedless fruits. Sometimes an individual plant will bear fruits that don't have seeds. This is not a good thing for the plant. You probably know why. It is nice for people because seedless fruits are easier to eat. That's why seedless fruits are found in the market. Did you ever wonder how plants that don't have seeds reproduce? So these are 4 questions I would like you to think about. What is a fruit? How does a plant's fruit help it survive and reproduce? What is a seed? And what function does a plant seed have?